Hello, it's AGAN Aircraft Industry here, and in this video we will talk about the repair of one of the flaps on the Cessna 337 Skymaster. The flap skin and flap structure were seriously damaged when a special equipment operator was cleaning snow around the hangar territory. Our task was to manufacture a new skin and install it on the remaining airworthy flap structure and system, in strict accordance with the factory standards and technologies. First of all, it is necessary to carefully drill each rivet without damaging the holes in the flap system and remove the damaged skin. Due to the lack of internal blueprint drawings from Cessna, we decided against using CNC machining to make the skin. Instead, we methodically and carefully produced the new skin completely by hand, using the damaged part as a template. For the manufacture of new parts, we use D1680 sheet metal, which has exactly the same thickness and safety margin as the original American alloy 2024 T351. Having made the skin according to the template in the preliminary form, it was necessary to bend the trailing edge of the flap, after which we can start pre-assembly. Pre-assembly is mandatory in order to check the accurate fit of the new skin and make any adjustments or improvements if necessary. After the preliminary assembly has shown that the skin is installed without any issues, we proceed to the final assembly, having previously treated the adjacent surface with the anti-corrosion primer. This is not a mandatory procedure, but is done to increase the resource and longevity of our product. We perform this action in all possible situations without exceptions. After treating the adjacent surfaces with primer, we proceed to the final assembly and rivet the new skin to the flap in order to fully comply with the production standards and technology, preserving the factory-level properties of the flap. Riveting is made with power aviation rivets. The work was done efficiently and on time. The repaired flap will last for many years. We hope you appreciate the result of our work and approach to business. Thank you for your attention.